this is a expired detector on our RV for propane gas. Okay, so if we connect it like so, look, it's always gonna beep, and it's gonna make this weird blink like that. Green, red, green, red, green. Anyways, my point is, it's expired. So I'm waiting for a new one right now. And it says somewhere that the end of life is when it does that. There it is. In the front is a code. EOL. Basically, red, red, green, green is end of life. EOL. Getting a new one. It's 170 bucks. It's on the way from the parts store. I'm gonna pop it in. Basically, just take these wires out and switch it in when it's done. So when it shows up, I'll resume the video and then show the result. Here's the replacement. The number you want to look for is that 35742. Apparently 742 is the spec that is required for this RV, which is the Majestic 23A. That's what you're looking for right there. So it's replaced by 60 months, and basically it's a direct swap. Okay, so let's put that in. First we got to open it. There we go, lift it open. Pretty easy. It's just 2 staples, and we have our new detector, and it's a direct swap, and I've done this like before, so I'm just gonna put it in, twist these things together, and call it the day. So let's take that off right here. All right. So this is black to white, red to orange. So I'm just gonna keep it consistent. I will put the black one to the white one on this one, right here. Let's go. When I twist this one, it's gonna turn on, is what I hope, and not blink. All right. It's blinking green. So there it is, all hooked up. And make sure those are a bit more tightened. Yep, so those aren't going nowhere. Tuck that in. That says it's good till 60 months, so I'll place that later. Pop that in. 2 screws right here, and that's it. Let me find 2 screws. This thing didn't come with screws, so all I got are these. They're gonna have to do. Alright, that's one. This will work. Just know that it doesn't come with screws. Some tape could have worked too. So let's just finish the job up properly. I don't want to use tape since I have holes already in the side. Yep, so that's it. That is in. Everything's good to go. That's how you replace it. And this one is from Safety Alert RV Carbon Monoxide / Propane Gas Detector, and replaced by 60 months. And you're talking about 35-742, 12 volt DC, 82 milliamps is your spec for the RV. Hope that helps. This is Ham from the Best Family Outdoor Show. If your carbon / propane detector expires and starts making noises, that is how you change the detector. Until next time, peace out.